Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Bob DiMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob. We are located in Naples, Florida, and Westlake, Ohio. And of course, you can contact us anywhere around the world via the internet. Dr. Bob, I have a couple blood spots under my skin that aren't healing. You know, it's very possible you could have too much estrogen in your body. So that would be my first suggestion. Work on cleaning up your liver. Dr. Bob, what do you think about the Nutri-System food and turbo shakes for belly fat? I'm not real familiar with the Nutri-Systems itself. I really am into people eating non-starchy green vegetables. You may consider CLA, that is supposed to help burn with belly fat, and or L-carnitine. Hi, Dr. Bob, I'm 56. I have a lot of body pain. You're from Trinidad and you want some help. So I wrote a book called Dr. Bob's Trans Fat Survival Guide. And in that book, I have a chapter called Winning the Pain Game. You could go to our website, druglessdoctor.com, get the chapter, read it. Avoid sugar and avoid dairy. They always cause pain. And also too much omega-6 fats, sunflower oil and safflower oil. Dr. Bob, I had a urine test. It came back with lead, barium, and cadmium. And the doctor wanted to do chelation IVs. And you did not necessarily want to do that. The first thing we need to do is improve your adrenal gland function, because your adrenal glands help move heavy metal out of the body. You want to find out where you're getting the heavy metal from. Cadmium is coming from driving cars. Lead could come from water, and the barium, I'm not even sure where that could come from for you. You also may try chlorella. Chlorella is something that you could use to get rid of toxins in the body. Dr. Bob, I'm on oxygen. I have COPD, pulmonary fibrosis, pulmonary hypertension, and you want something to help yourself breathing. First, you could have somebody lightly percuss your back. It's called percussion. You want to avoid sugar. People who have lung issues, if it's not from smoking or direct toxicity, usually have adrenal fatigue. We use two products. One product is called Numazine, which is a neonatal glandular bovine. In other words, it comes from a cow. And another is Organics, which helps oxygenate your tissue. And of course, you can always come to see us. We do help people with breathing issues. Dr. Bob, I was diagnosed with lupus in 2010. You've had a lot of symptoms. You've been a lot of different places. You've been juicing, trying natural remedies. Anytime I see something with lupus, we're seeing an epidemic of adrenal fatigue. Those adrenal glands make natural cortisone. Have someone take your blood pressure sitting down and then taking up. Take it when you're standing up. If your blood pressure drops, it's a sign of adrenal fatigue. No sugar. Sugar will sabotage those adrenal glands. Last question, Dr. Bob. What could you recommend for a mom who's pregnant with bronchitis? The first thing I'm going to tell you to do, you want to get away from sugar. Sugar and stress. And as I mentioned to the answer before, have someone gently percuss or tap on your spine. That helps improve the nervous system in that area. Great questions. We appreciate each and every one of you. And you can come and visit us in Naples, Florida, or Westlake, Ohio. Bye.